If you are in need of a reliable and professional private land surveyor in Mumbai, look no further than SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. As a leading provider of land surveying services, SCON Design India has built a strong reputation for delivering accurate and comprehensive surveying solutions to clients across Mumbai and beyond. As a private land surveyor, SCON Design India understands the importance of precise measurements and detailed mapping when it comes to land development projects. With their team of experienced surveyors and cutting-edge equipment, they are able to provide precise boundary surveys, topographic surveys, and construction layout services. Whether you are planning to build a residential complex, commercial building, or infrastructure project in Mumbai, SCON Design India can provide the necessary surveying expertise to ensure that your project is executed smoothly and efficiently. One of the key advantages of hiring SCON Design India as your private land surveyor in Mumbai is their commitment to delivering high-quality results within the agreed-upon time frame. Their team of surveying experts utilizes advanced technology and software to gather and analyze data, ensuring accurate measurements and detailed reports. This level of precision enables clients to make informed decisions regarding their land development projects. This attention to detail and adherence to legal procedures sets them apart from other private land surveyors in Mumbai. In conclusion, if you are looking for a reliable and professional private land surveyor in Mumbai, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is the ideal choice. With their expertise, advanced technology, and commitment to delivering high-quality results, they can provide comprehensive surveying solutions for all types of land development projects. Contact SCON Design India today to discuss your surveying needs and experience their exceptional services firsthand. If you are in need of a private land surveyor in Mumbai, look no further than SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. As a reputable company specializing in land surveying, SCON Design India offers professional and reliable services to clients in Mumbai and the surrounding areas. With their extensive knowledge and expertise in the field, they can assist with various land surveying tasks, ensuring accurate and precise results. When it comes to land surveying, it is crucial to hire a trusted and experienced professional. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd has a team of highly skilled surveyors who are well-versed in the latest surveying techniques and technologies. They utilize advanced equipment to gather data and create detailed surveys that meet industry standards. Whether you require a boundary survey, topographic survey, or construction staking, SCON Design India can handle all your land surveying needs. As a private land surveyor in Mumbai, SCON Design India understands the importance of providing efficient and timely services. They strive to complete projects